Welcome to Techno Learning. In this video we are going to make photo AI app which is based on Google ML Kit version 2020. So for this project you have to open your Android Studio, and within your Android Studio you will able to see these options. So following these options, you have to click on the first option, that is start a new Android Studio project. After clicking on this, you will have to choose the empty activity and click on next, and here you have to give the name of your application, that is photo AI, and you have to make sure that the language for this project is chosen as Kotlin, and after this you have to click on finish. So here you can see that the project started to be building in, and the scanning of the index files is also there. So it is set it out. Here you can see that the process is running, and now the Gradle build is almost complete. So come to in manifest file, and here you have to add few permissions that are necessary for making this app. The first permission will be of internet, and the second permission for this app will be of write external storage, and the third and the last permission for this application will be read external storage. So now you have to come into build Gradle module app, and here you have to add dependencies, and for these you have to open your browser so that you can add those dependencies from internet. And let me tell you, we are going to use Firebase for this, and from Firebase we will getting the dependencies. So open the web browser, and here you have to type Firebase and search for it. After that you have to click on Firebase console. If you are not logged in, then make sure that you have logged into your Firebase using Google Gmail account. Then click on add-on project, and here you have to give the project name, that is photo AI. Then click on continue, again continue, and here you have to choose the default account and create the project. Here Firebase takes fewer minutes or seconds, as it is setting up your app in the Google servers. So for allocating memory from the server, it takes few times, and you can see that it is finishing up, so that we will able to see a new window. Click on continue, and here you have to see that you have to click on Android, and now you have to add the package name. So come into the Android Studio, and in the build Gradle file you are having that application ID as the package name, and beside this you can also get this package name within the manifest file. Here you can see that. So copy this, and you have to paste this here. After that you have to add the app nickname, that is photo AI, and now the SHA1 certificate will be generated from Android Studio. So click on Gradle present in the topmost right side, and then click on signing report. After that, you will able to get that SHA1 certificate number that you have to paste on the Firebase. It is used for authentication purpose. For registering your app with Firebase, you can use this SHA1 method. You can also skip this as it is not very necessary to add this SHA1 certificate, but I'm telling you that how to add this. So scroll back and here you can see that SHA1 certificate key, and you have to copy this part. Here we go. Then open the browser and paste it here, and you have to click on register your app. After that, you will be able to see that you have to download this configuration file called googleservices.json, and it is downloaded. Click on next. Now you have to add these dependencies within the build Gradle project waste. That is the first one. And first of all, minimize this and choose app. And you can see that within the dependencies, you have to paste it as class path. So this completed. Now in the second file, that is build Gradle module based, copy the implementation. First of all, copy this plugin, apply plugin, and here we are in the module app Gradle, build Gradle, and then you have to copy this implementation and little scroll here, and here you have to paste that. After that, you have to click on sync now, click on next now, and skip this. After that, you will able to see that you have to add machine learning. Choose it from the navigation bar presented on the left side and click on start it. After that, you will able to see these many options. From these, we are going to use image labeling and object detection and tracking. So we will click on that image labeling, and you have to click on the second option, that is get started for cloud based, and here you can see that, and click on Android. After that, you will have to copy these dependencies and paste it in the build Gradle file. So first of all, copy these two implementation dependencies, and after that come into the Android Studio and just paste it here. Now come back to the Opera browser, then you will see that you have to copy this and paste it in Android manifest. So here you can see that Android manifest, and paste it within the application tag. So paste it here. Yes, and after that you have to click on the second option, that is object detection, and it is loading. Yeah, so click on the Android again. After that, you will able to add this dependency. So copy this and come back to the Android Studio and paste it here. Now come back to the browser and go back to that Google and search for Google Material Design for Android, and select that first result, and here the website is loading, and here you can see that it is the material component library for Google. So you have to copy this dependency present on the third. So copy it and come back to the Android Studio. After copying it, then you will able to paste it within the Android Studio. But here you can see that you can explore this library. This library is having various options. So let's go back to the Android Studio and just paste the dependency here. So it is pasted, but now the version is not there. So click on Alt Enter and choose that 1.10 version, and then click on Sync Now, that is present on the topmost right. And after that, you will have to paste those Google JSON file that we have downloaded from there. But for that, you have to go to the project based thing and then come to this app folder, and within this you have to paste that Google services.json that we have downloaded from the Firebase. So I copied it, Google services, and I just paste it within the app, and it is pasted successfully. After that, go to that build Gradle module based app again and come back to the Android from the project level view, and you will able to see that you are having a folder in res that is called Gradle. Now you have to add fewer images, so I just copy this image. Don't worry, I have provided the image link in the video description. You just have to download these images from the link and just paste it within this Gradle folder. So here you can see that I have added. Now come back to the build Gradle, and here you have to add fewer more things, not the dependencies but certain options like compile options for Java 1.8. For that you have to choose Java version 1.8 for the source compatibility, and the target compatibility is also same, that is version 1.8. And after this you have to add this view binding enable true also. So here you can see that how many things we have added, and after that we come back to this XML file which we have to edit in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and we will edit this in the next video.